right, Taylor with KC here, Mint 400. We are at the parade. We got to roll out right now. First time ever in a trophy truck, so we're gonna ride with Chuck in the Recyclewise truck, Brenthal Industries. Go have a little bit of fun, wave to everybody on the strip, check out the experience. Just wrapped up the Mint 400 parade. That was my first time ever in a trophy truck, believe it or not. Been around these things for like 7 years, something like that, and I've never actually been in one. So Chuck Dempsey's one of my great friends, also one of our good friends of KC, and very much appreciative to him, Brenthal Industries, and Kirk of Recyclewise for allowing me to ride in that thing for the parade. It was really cool. The amount of technology in those things is just like unfathomable, right? Like they have absolutely every single thing that you can think of in those trucks. So it was really cool to kind of get that first person perspective and just kind of press through some of the buttons, cycle through all the screens, see what those are. Next step for me is going to be to ride in one of those trucks off road. So obviously after the chaos of the Mint 400 is over, we're going to do that. I don't know, Jacob, maybe we'll film like some sort of trophy truck walk around or some in-depth thing. Okay, shaking his head, yes. So pretty dope. It was a really cool experience, totally surreal, just a great fun time. And with that, I think that's everything for this video. I'm on Cloud 9 right now. I just got to ride in a trophy truck. So that's a wrap. Let's get out of here.